Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add subscribers in your WordPress site. So for this you have to go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use. After that it will simply take you to this page like this, and then you have to simply type in www.wordpress.com, and then you have to simply put in your login credentials there. And once you put your login credentials there, it will simply take you to this page like this, and then you have to just simply click on the edit side option. And once you're in there, you have to just simply go to the left hand side. Here you can see that there are lots of options, and you have to just simply click on the users. Then here you have to choose the subscriber option from the users section. And here you can see it has already taken us to subscriber option, and from here what I need to do is simply click on the import existing subscriber or the add subscriber from here. From the import existing subscribers, you can already import those subscribers name that you have currently, and in the add subscriber you can also add new subscribers. So then what I need to do is, once you click on the add subscribers, you will get three options like this: add subscribers manually, use a CSV file, and other one then is import from Substack. Then what you can do is just simply choose any of the option that mainly prefers to you. So let's say I would like to click on the first one, the add subscribers manually. And here you can see in the add subscribers to test website, here you can see you have to just simply put in the email address of the subscriber, and then you have to just simply click on the add subscriber. After that you can easily add the subscriber to your site. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.